You can make this soy glazed vegetable and rice dish. It's easy, and I will show you how over the next few minutes. This looks delicious.
Dine with Devin. I'm that cooking guy taking you on a culinary journey to make your favorite foods.
First, you can see how I cook the rice. With the amazing rice cooker from Zisero Sushi. Some basmati rice and water comes together easily. I have 2 cups here, but with this method, you can have any amount. Your only constraint is the size of your rice cooker. Wash the rice. It removes the starchy and any debris from the fields or warehouses that it came from. Fill the pot with cold water while agitating the rice. The rice starts out milky, but will end up clear as you agitate it. Drain and keep refilling. Once the water is clear, drain the water slowly without losing any rice down the drain. You see I washed it 3 times until the water was clear. I use the knuckle method to measure. Don't ask why this works and just accept it as it works for any amount of rice you're cooking. Fill the water to the crease behind your knuckle. The tip of your finger should gently touch the top of the rice without pushing it into it. Add a little water, check again, then fill until the level has reached your knuckle. Dry off the outside of the pot, put it into your rice cooker, and press cook. While the rice is cooking, you will start prepping the vegetables. I will describe the process on screen. You can see the amounts of each item used in this easy recipe. I cleaned and chopped garlic. Then I cleaned and sliced this red onion. Next, dice the red pepper. You see each vegetable is a different shape to provide some texture to the dish. This yellow squash will be cut into julienne pieces. Slice flat pieces and then slice those into long matchsticks. The broccoli gets the same treatment with the stems, then easily slice the crowns into smaller pieces. With a knife, find the bottom where the 2 stalks join and separate them. You can even split one of those in half if you like your broccoli smaller. The green onions will be thinly sliced on a bias or at an angle. Slice as slow as you need to be able to get that nice thin slice. With a pot of water, add the broccoli to a steamer basket. Cover and heat on high. In a hot, large, wide pot, add the oil with onion and bell pepper first. Cook these first, pull the sugars out of them for flavor. Next, add the yellow squash, pepper, and salt. As each of them cooks, add the next item, garlic. Remove the broccoli from the steamer and add it to the steaming first ensures that they are cooked and provides a nice bright green to the broccoli. Cooking the broccoli raw in the saute pan burns the outside and doesn't cook it enough. This is the way. Add basil, agave or honey, and soy sauce, followed by brown sugar. You see on the side, I am making a cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Measure cold water and cornstarch, mix and add to the dish. Let it cook in. Taste and adjust the seasoning if you need to match your taste. I think it's perfect. This is it. The rice is done. And look at that vegetable soy glaze ready to top it. Fluff the rice as soon as it's done. Do you see some tools in the video that you would like to own? You can find links to it and other tools in the description below. Yes, even the equipment I used to make this video, like the camera or lighting. With these links, you don't pay anything extra, but I do get credit for your purchase and I really appreciate it. You already saw in the beginning the salmon. It is smoked salmon. Do you want to taste this with me? Get a little bit of the salmon, some rice, and vegetables. This is wonderful. If you like this video, subscribe now and look at this next video up here now.